शायद हर कोई पेरेंट अपने बच्चों की पढ़ाई और शादी के लिए छोटी उम्र से ही सेविंग्स करना शुरू कर देते हैं। पर इनसे मिलिए, ये है सिल्की पुरी और इनके पति गगन, जो अपनी बेटी ख्वाहिश के ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस पर इन्वेस्ट करना ठीक समझते हैं और ना ही कि उसकी शादी के लिए। तो चलिए इन्हीं से जानते हैं उनकी पेरेंटिंग बिलीव्स के बारे में।
As a parent, we strongly believe in investing in her experiences and exposure rather than saving for her marriage. My job is to make her confident, street smart, and self-reliant, and we can notice those differences in Khwahish. I'm a full-time working mother. I'm working in one of the MNCs. My passion of traveling started well when I was a child. That time it was more of a road trips with my dad, and I think the seed was sown at that point of time. And when I was a teenager in my college, I traveled with my best friend, who is now my life partner too. And now we are traveling as a family together. When I got pregnant with Khwahish, we were in dilemma whether we'll be able to continue with the same passion or not. But I think it was the first time apprehension. We went out with her when she was 2 months old, and soon that passion now converted into our lifestyle.
Silky made use of her maternity leave and started traveling with Khwahish since she was 2 months old.
We went all the way to Dubai because Dubai is a very travel-friendly, kid-friendly country, and the experience was beautiful. She adapted really well. When the baby is small, I think traveling is much more easier. She was mostly on the milk. I used to put her in pram and travel around in the public transport. The whole experience was good, and that gave me a lot of confidence. The traveling with kid isn't that difficult.
Khwahish is just 4 years old, but the list of countries and cities she has visited has surely surpassed her age.
Right since Khwahish was 2 months old to today when she is 4 years old, we have been together to 6 countries including Amsterdam, Paris, Switzerland, Rome, Thailand, Dubai, and India too. We have covered 14 states, we have covered more than 50 cities. In fact, during the COVID time, we have been doing road trips almost every month. We have been to Manali, Nainital, Shimla, Rajasthan with her. So we have thoroughly enjoyed the travels together, and we intend to continue the same in going forward as well.
Silky and her husband are working professionals and make sure that they take care of all the planning and research before they plan a trip. And depending on the place, they either opt for budget trips or luxury travels, keeping in mind the needs of their daughter as well. And because of work from home and online schooling, the process of travel and being productive has become even more easy.
Initially, when we started traveling with her when she was just 2 months old, we got a lot of questions in terms of our finances and how we are going to manage such a small baby. But we as parents took a conscious decision that this is the way we wanted the parenting to be done, because what travel can teach, none of the books can teach the child. So as and when we took her for different trips, we ourselves got comfortable, and now we have support of our family and friends. In fact, they get inspired and they're also traveling with their kids now.
As parents, the security of their child's future, such as education and marriage, is something most parents would think of. But Silky and Gagan's parenting beliefs are surely different.
As a parent, we strongly believe in investing in her experiences and exposure rather than saving for her marriage. My job is to make her confident, street smart, and self-reliant, and we can notice those differences in Khwahish. We want her to dream big and capable enough to fulfill those wishes.
Traveling has surely molded Khwahish as a child, as it has made her more curious to learn more and more things, along with developing her personality and taste buds after trying new dishes and experiences. As a working mother, Silky does not get much time to spend with her daughter, so it's the travels that brings them together as a family. They also come back from their travel trips and fill up their travel journals to make her reflect back on the good times she's had. Silky would like to give a message to all the parents, especially the mothers who feel that they want to give up their passion for traveling after having kids.
My message to all the parents out there is to continue with their travel experiences with their kids, because traveling with them is not as difficult as it is perceived. And especially to the mothers and soon to be mothers who tend to give up their passion post embracing the motherhood, is to continue with their passion, because at the end, happy mothers can only raise happy child.